Hello everyone. Today we will see one more interesting topic. What is static testing and what is dynamic testing? So static testing and the dynamic testing, right? I will explain you in a simple way. So normally, say this is testing. Here, one is static testing. Dynamic testing. So we will see the difference now. See, under static testing, no? Here we can see walkthroughs. See, static testing is nothing but it's a verification. So dynamic testing, no, it's a validation or execution. So we can say execution. So under static testing, now what we are going to do, right? Walkthroughs or reviews. See here walkthroughs, no, some questions, requirement analysis. So when we do requirements, no, when we go through requirements, there will be some questions, right? So that walkthroughs we can ask from the customer end, so who are good at the requirements, no, we can get the walkthroughs from them. So reviews, no, so test case reviews here, code reviews can happen. Okay, static testing, no, it's a kind of verification. Just walkthroughs or reviews will happen. So walkthroughs, no, some requirement analysis, no, when we do some requirement analysis and all, so we can, if you are not able to understand the requirements, no, then you can check with the client end and you can get some good information about those requirements. So with the help of walkthroughs, so they will walk us through the requirements. Reviews, no, there will be test case reviews, there will be code reviews. This kind of thing we will say nothing but static testing. See, dynamic testing, no, here there will be white box testing, here black box testing. So there we are performing some validations here. So either by code, either by automation. So here, no, it's going to be a development process. Under development, it can be a code flow or data control. We can say it's regarding the developer side. So white box testing. So coming to black box testing, no, here we will do functional testing. Here we will do non-functional testing. Okay. See, dynamic testing is nothing but a validation process or execution process, we say. So here we are performing some actions. So either by validation or through execution on the code. So normally we will do black box testing with either by functional testing or non-functional testing. Even manually also we apply some data. We will do some kind of testing. Means we are performing some actions. So that will come under dynamic testing. Static testing nothing but it's a static. It's a verification process. Just reviews, walkthroughs, etc. I hope you understood, guys. Thank you.